Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, the opposition spokesperson on energy and climate change, Philip Paulwell, has dismissed as absolute nonsense critics claims that he should be blamed for the recent furor concerning the performance of Jamaica Public Service Company Limited, particularly in the aftermath of Hurricane Beryl. On here, what Philip Paulwell is saying, my wisdom warriors, right now Philip Paulwell's throwbacks blame over JPS exclusive license. Yeah, because me tell you what them a do now. Them a try to make it look like a Philip Paulwell fault. How? I try to understand how. All them do are renew the license. You see me show the video over here, my wisdom warriors. How the people them a try. Them a try to get answers so they can amend their legislation. And all know they can't. And the government is the problem. So how comes a Paulwell everybody try to blame? How comes? I agree with Paulwell. Fling it back on them nastiness, Paulwell. Fling it back, bright and out of order. But Paulwell forget blame. My wisdom warriors, at this point, I do not blame Paulwell. At this point, I do not blame Paulwell. Enough is enough. He have all right to dismiss this. Him have all right to dismiss this critics. And then you have GLP supporters, them going around and talk about somebody. Yeah? Somebody that was in government at the time. Yeah? Them renew them license. So how comes in a 2024, a Paulwell forget the blame? My sister, no for uno have no sense. No for uno out there. Uno labor right, dirty labor right. No for uno. Uno don't have no sense. Uno senseless. Uno need to go get some knowledge and wisdom, brother. Every time uno out here chat, uno have the most chat and no knowledge. Most chat uno have on social media, uno not have no knowledge. How uno out here make critiques after the man? But the man forget blame. How comes the man forget blame? For what reason? And that more than like for know why should Paulwell get blame? My wisdom warriors, me I tell you about this labor right man. Them different set of people them. God know. But you not tell me if you not agree with Paulwell for blast up them backside. Because me agree with him. Me agree with him and he not blast them good. If you come out and be more vocal. If you come out, Paulwell, and be more vocal upon this, we hear you so me can get to blast it on my social media. A 19-year-old construction worker has been charged after being accused of having sex with a 13-year-old student. Want to hear them something, you know, my wisdom warriors? Construction worker charged with sexual abuse of a 13-year-old. Me tell you about these people. Me tell you about these people. Them people must say I take Mali or something. Me don't understand. A 19-year-old now. 19-year-old. A text said pan a 13-year-old pitney. You can't imagine all these things we are going in Jamaica. And all know me not hear the government be vocal about these things. All know me I wait for them be vocal. Me can't hear nothing from them. Nothing from Juliet Cockburn Flynn. Me not hear nothing from she either. Babsy Grange, me not hear she. Me not hear none of the woman them a come out. And I say woman power. Me not hear nothing. Me not see them a talk up for the pitney them. 11 pitney gone missing from the state care. And all know me not hear the government talk about it. All know. My wisdom warriors, these things need to stop. These things need to stop. 19-year-old, a sex of 13-year-old pitney. Jaja. Business leaders have welcomed the news that Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clarke is to take up the position of Deputy Managing Director of the International Monetary Fund IMF come October. This is according to Nationwide. News of the development came mid-morning on Monday. Noted chartered accountant and financial expert Dennis Chung says, based on Dr. Clarke's successes, he's not surprised at his appointment. Really? Really? Which part of Dr. Nigel Clarke's successes? What am I talking about? Appear error. Listen, my wisdom warrior, something not right about this. This position where they give to Nigel Clarke, something not right. Because Nigel Clarke can't do maths, He's not very good for maths. Because appear error he make in a budget them. Pure error. For all the PNP them say a first in a history. First in a history from 1962 there has been ever been an error in the budget. Remember me play it over here. You understand? So how come something just not sit well with me, my wisdom warriors. Something not right. Chairman of the Economic Program Oversight Committee, EPOC, Keith Duncan says, while he is happy for Dr. Clarke, his contribution in his role as finance minister will make his departure a loss for the country. Here ya. Loss for what kind of hey, sorry. Me I feel laughing at my wisdom warriors. This a party shocked me. Loss for which country? There is no loss. We're glad. We're glad. And what kind of loss? What kind of loss for which departure? Loss for who? For Andrew Wallace. Which country? Hey, you need to talk about yourself, and stop talk about loss for country. No, loss for no country. No. Hey, we don't miss him. The only person miss him is Andrew Wallace and in cronies about loss for country. And president of the private sector organization of Jamaica, PSOJ, Metro Siaga says he is proud that Dr. Clarke is set to serve in such a highly placed role. No matter where Nigel Clarke go, we are come for you. Wait till the investigation done. We are come for you. So no matter things that you get what you the IMF. Hey, my wisdom warriors. You know say something right though? Me I tell you say this not sit well. This not sit well with me. Something not right. Me I tell you something not right. Anyway, my wisdom warriors talking about this. The opposition leader come out and congratulate Nigel Clarke. But opposition leader is very concerned about Jamaica future. So, wanna hear this. The Opposition People's National Party says Dr. Nigel Clarke's appointment as Deputy Managing Director of the International Monetary Fund raises significant concerns about the future of Jamaica's economic management and leadership. In a media release on Monday in which the party congratulated Clarke, it noted that his departure comes at a critical juncture for Jamaica. My wisdom warriors, don't hear so because them release them statement. So hear this. PNP congratulates Dr. Nigel Clarke on IMF appointment, raises concern about Jamaica's economic future amidst leadership transition. Kingston, Jamaica, August 26, 2024. The People's National Party, PNP, extend its congratulations to Dr. Nigel Clarke on his appointment as Deputy Managing Director of the International Monetary Fund, IMF, effective October 31st, 2024. The prestigious role is a notable achievement for Jamaica on the global stage. This development raises significant concern about the future of Jamaica's economic management and leadership. Dr. Clarke's departure comes at a critical juncture for our country as we face serious economic challenges, including the spiraling cost of living and the negative growth impact of the recent hurricane. The timing of Dr. Clarke's departure also brings into question the government's ability and commitment to addressing the ongoing economic burdens facing the Jamaican people. We are constrained to ask whether his move at this time signals the abandonment of a sinking ship, leaving the Jamaican population to grapple with these unresolved issues. Rotted hole. So Nigel Clarke a runway left Jamaican people. So Nigel Clarke, you take out one whole heap of Bangarang, 1.7 billion, and a runway left the Jamaican people. Andrew Holness have to go deal with this, Mark Golding. Don't make Andrew Holness trick you. Andrew Holness have to deal with this. Make Andrew Holness deal with it. Make him deal with it. We urge the government to provide immediate clarity on the transition plan for the Ministry of Finance, how it intends to manage the current economic pressures, and what strategies will be employed to mitigate the impact on the most vulnerable in our society. Andrew, yeah, call for Andrew Holness now come out and tell we nothing. Andrew Holness is not coming out Jamaica and tell we nothing. Uno know Andrew Holness already. When time push come to shove, he get quiet. Anytime I say a government so quiet, uno know what that mean. Uno know say something in a something. Something in a something. So right now we in a big problem basically. That me I get from it. We in a big problem. Yeah? And Nigel Clarke I go and left Jamaican people. Make box cover. But Andrew Holness needs to deal with this, him and Juliet Holness. Andrew Holness and his wife need to deal with this because any bangarang or any problem for Jamaican people and him always instruct Nigel Clarke for do the dope. So make Andrew Holness pick up the pieces. Listen, my wisdom warriors, me know say right now, Nigel Clarke are the happiest man right now. Wanna hear me? Are the happiest man right now, my wisdom warriors. In glad to take this pressure off of him. Me not blame him. Seriously. Me not blame him because remember, everything he do, he has been instructed by Andrew Holness to do it. So we really can't blame him. Andrew Holness forget the whole of the blame, him and his wife. The PNP stands ready to work constructively in the national interest to ensure that Jamaica navigates these challenging times. We remain committed to advocating for economic policies that prioritize inclusive and sustainable economic growth and the well-being of all Jamaicans. The PNP wishes Dr. Clarke well in his new role. Wanna hear that, my wisdom warrior? So I don't want to go talk about Mark Golden bad mind. Because I know say son of our labor right come over here, come listen, and then go back go talk about Mark Golden bad mind. Mark Golden no bad mind. The PNP, they all wish him well in his new role. But the thing is now, you notice that we in a bangarang. Yeah. And let's put Jamaica in a deep shit. Yeah, and then now Nigel Clarke, but Andrew Holness have to go deal with this. The PNP is calling on the government to come out and chat. But Andrew Holness not going to come out and chat because him feel like, oh, we not know. Remember him saying their legacy and a popularity him a deal with. Don't remember. I want to remember these things. You understand? I'm telling you say something alright because I can't understand how Nigel Clarke always make error in a film budget them. And you know what, my wisdom warriors, me I go leave it for you next time. But I'll me know say something no right. Wanna tell me what you think and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome guys. I want to run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I go there in the comment section. My people over TikTok I go on with a one bag of something. And also if you want to reach out to me, you can do so on 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.